Hello and welcome to Someka. Today I'm introducing you our Salesman target tracking Excel template. Now let's see the details of the Excel sheet. Basically, the template consists of two main sections, the dashboard and the database. And the first section is the dashboard. As you can see, the dashboard consists of visual graphics that represent your sales performance. And the first section is sales rep summary. You can select your individual sales reps to see their performance. And from this table, you can see their targets, actual, and sales realization in a result. Below, you can see the team summary of your sales team. Similarly to above section, you can see their total performance, their target, actual, and total realization. And here again, you can see the individual sales rep sales realization graphics. And with this graphic, you can see their actual sales shares. For example, Corby may have the biggest shares in this graphic. And this section's target and actual values are being managed at the database section. And if you want to input new data, just click on the button here. And this section consists of two tables. First one is sales target and second one is sales actual. And you can input your sales rep targets in here by monthly. And this section, you can add up to 30 sales reps in the table. By the way, by clicking on the plus sign, you can expand the table for entering more sales rep. For example, let's add one more sales rep in here. And write sales target for that sales rep. Yes. And here sales actual part, sales rep names taken from the targets table above. So names in the here are connected with the formula, so don't overwrite them. And here you will write your actual sales performance of your sales rep. Write your sales rep actual performance here. And let's look at the dashboard to see our new sales rep. And for seeing the performance of our new sales rep, select this dropdown. You can see that sales rep target, actual, and total realization. Yes, that's all. You can also check and track your sales rep and sales team performance with this free-to-use Excel template. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates from Someka website. Thank you.